Imagine having access to some of the most advanced naval technology in the world. Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited is one company that makes this possible, and we're excited to take you behind the scenes. This Indian giant has been around for over 240 years, making it a true leader in its industry. Founded in 1774, Mazagon Dock has grown into a behemoth of shipbuilding and engineering, operating two main segments, shipbuilding and submarine. Their impressive portfolio includes some of the most advanced naval platforms in the world. From destroyers to submarines, corvettes to missile boats, Mazagon Dock has it all. They're not just building ships, they're creating a whole new generation of vessels that will be revolutionizing the way we navigate our oceans and coastlines. And it's not just about building ships, they also provide offshore platforms, jack-up rigs for the oil sector, and even remote-operated vehicles. As one of India's largest employers with over 2,800 people on board, Mazagon Dock is a true powerhouse in its field. The company's impressive market capitalization of $12.83 billion speaks to its success and stability. But what really sets them apart is their commitment to innovation. They're always pushing the boundaries of technology, from AI-powered systems to cutting-edge engineering designs. And that's why investors are drawn to this Indian giant. It's a company that's not just building ships, it's shaping the future of our oceans and coastlines. So what makes Mazagon Dock so attractive? For starters, their impressive financials speak to their stability and growth potential. They've consistently delivered high dividends, with an impressive 0.65 dividend yield, and are expected to continue growing at a rate of 2.89%. But it's not just about the numbers, they're also delivering strong earnings growth, with a profit margin of 24.16%, and their price-to-book ratio is a whopping 17.61. Mazagon Dock has also been steadily increasing its market capitalization over the years, growing from $3.34 billion to a current valuation of $12.83 billion, that's an impressive 381% growth. Of course, as with any major company, there are always concerns about debt and leverage. But Mazagon Dock has managed to keep its debt-to-equity ratio under control, at just 0.5%, making it a more stable investment. And when it comes to earnings, they're consistently delivering strong results, with an expected earnings growth rate of 2.89%. So what do you think? Is Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited the right choice for your portfolio? With its impressive financials, innovative products, and commitment to growth, this Indian giant is definitely worth considering, but always remember, it's always a good idea to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research. Use this information at your own risk.